In this class we will learn how to use the commands move, copy, rotate, extend and trim. We will know some commands in the modify bar used to modify the sketches created. Let's go to class. We started by creating the standard modeling environment. First, we will know the move command, used to move geometries. When we activate the command in the modify bar, we must select the geometry through the select field. Then, with the option base point, we click on a point for reference and position the geometry on the desktop. We can also activate the precise input option in the dialog box. With this option we can enter precise values to move the geometry, see. In the sequence, we have the command copy used to make copies. Its use is similar to the command move, note. We will now know the rotate command, used to rotate geometries. When we activate the command, we must select the geometry and inform the point for rotation. A message will appear informing us that the geometry being edited has restrictions. We need to click Yes so that restrictions are removed during rotation. In the sequence, we must inform the value of the angle for the rotation and confirm the command. To extend or cut edges through another limiting edge, the extend and trim commands are used respectively. Take this example, we have a circle and around it several lines that need to be erased. After activating the trim command, we can use the default option, that is to click on the lines and delete them. Or we can click and drag the mouse through the lines, see that they are erased. The shortcut to the command trim is the letter X. Since to extend the lines we use the command extend, just activate the command and click on the line to extend it. The command trim and extend can be used together by pressing the Shift key. Note that when the trim command is active, if we press the Shift key on the keyboard and click on the line, the extend command will be executed. And when the command extend is active, if we press the Shift key on the keyboard and click on the line, the command trim will be executed. This reversal of functions between these two commands allows us to gain time during the creation of sketch. We learn in this class how to use the commands move, copy, rotate, extend and trim. Very useful commands for modifying the sketches created.